Hey friends, quick video about supplement quality. Most of you know that I'm pretty loyal to the companies that we use currently, and it's specifically for a purpose, and here it is. I'm trying to make this as quick as I can. The last video I just shot was 7 minutes and it was way too long, so that's why I'm redoing it. Okay, when you take a product like Pure Vitality, or you take a product like MediHerb, Standard Process, some of these that I carry online, Global Health, they are intentionally utilized by a clinic like ours for improving metabolic rate and function because, number one, they're either liquid, they're a powder that's easily absorbed, or they're in a tablet or capsule form that's quickly broken down into the body so that it can be absorbed easily and at a very, very high percentage. Now, conversely, if you were to take a big box brand like Centrum or Theragram or One A Days, many times they are coated with a really thick, waxy shellac that can sometimes make it all the way through the GI tract and you don't absorb much of it at all. So this is a common practice because it keeps down waste and damage. So the problem with these obviously is the absorbability and the bioavailability, and that's the reason why they have to crank up the amount in milligrams or international units to exceed the RDA, because the body is only going to absorb such a little amount of that given those shellacs and binders that form the tablet. Okay? Flip around to liquids, powders, capsules, gel caps, especially vegetable caps, or really soft tablets like Standard Process and MediHerb uses. The breakdown is far superior. The absorbability is close to 100%. And that's a big deal because the more that tablet you absorb, the less concentrated they need to make it. And if something is too concentrated beyond what is normally found in food, the body will recognize that and a lot of times pass it. If you don't believe me, test it. Buy a bottle of our Cataplex B Core and go to any big box store, Walgreens, pharmacy, any of those places, Costco, Sam's Club, buy their B complex. One day take the big box, the next day take Standard Processes, food extracts, see what color your urine is. Guarantee you're not going to notice change in the Standard Process because the body's going to absorb it. The big box store B complex is going to turn your urine the color of a safety jacket because the body's going to recognize it as synthetic, and it's made, all those B vitamins are birthed in a test tube or beaker. They're made synthetically, so the body's going to pass it quickly. So it'll wind up in the bladder and down your commode. So you've got expensive urine and you've paid less for the product, but then the absorbability is not there, so you really just wasted your money. Or if you buy a food extract like what Standard Process offers or MediHerb offers, or the Pure Vitality line that's liquid and powder form, there, up goes your bioavailability because you've absorbed it better and you're actually putting your money to use. That's the difference right there in a nutshell. I had this issue came up in my own family at a distance of why the RDA was lower, and that's the reason why. You have to artificially inflate the RDA percentage concentration in synthetic vitamins that are commercially produced versus food extracts. It can be lower because it's closer to the alignment of what's naturally occurring in food. The body recognizes that and will therefore absorb it more readily, and you don't see the evidence in your urine. Just clarifying, and had enough attention drawn to that, enough question about it. I thought, you know what, I'm just going to make a bonus video about that. And I may talk about it at next class. The next class coming up, by the way, is the 4th Thursday of July, 25th, I believe, 5 p.m. So we'll start taking seat attendance for that. Contact Kim. If you see this video, I'll mention it in other videos as well. But hope to see you at class, and we're going to get down into some nutritional deficiency diseases. I'll stick the blender in that class too and make a smoothie since peaches are out right now. Be really good. And we'll finish talking about some reflections in self-control. So Little trailer there. Hope to see you at class, and I'll definitely see you on the next video.